The theatrical presentation of Inti Raymi starts in Cusco with hundreds of actors playing the role of ancient Incas. The procession then moves to the Incan fortress of Sacsayhuaman, where the huge crowd awaits. Performers interpret the role of high priests that honor the Incan sun. Several rituals are performed, among them the ritual of Sanku, which involves the offering of sacred bread. The Inti Raymi ceremony ends when the emperor, Sapa Inca, is carried back to Cusco on a golden throne, a replica of the original. The Otavaleños of Ecuador celebrate Inti Raymi for several days. Here, the king of the festival is presented with gifts of bread. In the ruins of Chochasqui, near Quito, an indigenous religious leader plays an Andean instrument called a churro to celebrate Inti Raymi. People raise their hands to welcome the rays of the sun. Anyone who respects nature and cultural diversity can participate in Inti Raymi. The setting for the Aymayra's celebration of the solstice is the ancient ruins of Tiwanaku, located 40 miles from La Paz. Throughout the night, ancient ceremonies are performed to honor Pachamama, Mother Earth. Thousands of Aymayras, Quechuas, and tourists come to witness the celebration. The culminating point is when the rays of the rising sun appear right in the center of the sun door. This only happens once a year. It's the beginning of a new year for the Aymayras, an indigenous population that has persisted for thousands of years.